Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. I'm so glad that you've joined us again today. We are going to be making mini plant-based tacos. I know you will enjoy it. Ingredients are wholemeal wraps, 1 onion, 1 lime, vegan margarine, bouillon powder, onion powder, paprika, tomatoes, vegan cheese, and some Linda McCartney sausages. Firstly, we're going to peel and wash our onion and then chop it into really fine pieces. And once we've done that, we're going to put it in a bowl and put it to one side. Then we're going to do exactly the same with our tomatoes. We're going to chop them into really small fine pieces, and that's 2 tomatoes, and we're going to put those into the onions as well. We're also going to be using Scotch Bonnet, but only half a Scotch Bonnet, and we're going to chop that finely and put it in with our onions and our tomatoes. For this salsa recipe, we're going to be using lime, so we're just going to roll it to release those juices, and we're going to juice half of the lime over the mixture of onions and tomatoes and pepper and mix that in really well. We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of bouillon powder, stir that in really well, and then put that to one side to let it marinate. Using a medium-sized cutter, we're going to cut out round shapes of the tacos, and then we're going to melt a teaspoon of margarine, and once that's melted, we're going to brush the mini tacos with the margarine, put them on an upside down muffin tray, and we're going to place those in the oven for about 5 minutes. Next, we're going to take our 3 sausages, which have been already defrosted, and we're going to mash those up with the back of a fork. We're going to place those in a saucepan with 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and we're going to put the medium heat underneath that and mash them really well until they're cooked through for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now we're going to set up our assembly station with our salsa, our taco meat, our grated cheese, and we're going to start to assemble the tacos. First of all, we take a taco, put some of the sausage mince in there, the salsa, and sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top, and we're going to do that, continue with that process until all of our tacos are complete. And as you can see, absolutely looks delicious and it tastes absolutely delicious. This is a snack you really will want. Thank you for watching today's video. Remember to follow us on Instagram, and if you use any of the recipes, be sure to tag us, and also follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and comment down below what videos you'd like to see next. See you next week.